What's up everyone? So I'm actually in SS2. We're gonna try this Teochew restaurant. It's been around for 20 years. More than 20 years actually. It's a family restaurant. So let's get to it, alright? So this restaurant, right, is located in SS2. This is a one-way street. And this is actually a residential area. So you can see, right, this restaurant is hidden. It's not visible from the main road. But it's still nevertheless famous, and we are talking about none other than Teochew Meng in SS2. So let's go. Their business hours is like this, 10 to 4, then they will rest for 1.5 hours. 5:30 to 9, Tuesday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, public holidays is a bit different, 10 to 4, 5:30 and 9:30, extra half an hour. So this is the restaurant. I'm inside. It's about 5:30, so they let us in early. So this is how it looks like. 5:30, so not many people. Let's take a closer look at the menu. Okay. So people raving about this seafood miswatao, grouper fish fillet, and some also recommend the oyster noodle and also this Hokkien ta. A lot of people actually order this fried lai fun here. Okay. And some of the dish, right, the yam paste, this one is a dessert that you must try. It's limited. So side dishes, a lot of people like to order this. The boiled octopus and also this oyster omelette. Okay. So let's try and order, see whether this Teochew yam paste is still got or not. So these are the condiments. So they already warn you, super spicy chili sauce. Very red. So what is this? Oh, but chili padi lah. Yeah. Oh, this is their homemade chili sauce, I suppose. You must try. Hot honey lemon. Okay, this is the one that I ordered. It's a dry noodle, a special dry noodle. Hokkien ta, I call it. Served with braised pork, egg. Looks good, right? Can't wait to try. This is the oyster omelette. Let's take a look at the size of the oyster here. Oyster. So what I'm going to do right now is to just mix it up and then we can have our meal. Serve with coriander. I know some of you do not like coriander. You could tell them to take out the coriander, or you just can take out the coriander and give to your boyfriend if you're coming with your boyfriend. Okay? Your boyfriend don't like coriander. Girls, I like coriander. So jokes aside, let's just mix it up here. Mix it up, and then we can actually slowly have it. Mix it up, and now let's try it. The pork lard also a little bit, and bean sprout taugeh. The sauce is look red, but it's not spicy. It's a bit sourish, not spicy. This is the best pork here. Very tender. The taste is a bit sourish, but this is good, really. with big ball noodles. And now I'm taking the fish ball together with the noodles. Now oyster omelette I put together with some greens, coriander thing. Look at the size of oyster. It is good. You can really taste the oyster. And the balance between the oyster and the egg is there. So you can actually taste the oyster. Not like some oyster omelette, you really taste the egg. I can see now why this is one of the most popular dishes. Now this is a signature Teochew dessert. It's called the yam paste. And it's very famous in this restaurant. If you come late, this dessert will usually be sold out. So come early if you want the taste of this dessert. Alright? So let's dig in. It's hot. It's not even steaming. It's not ready yet. So this is still hot. This is a hot dessert, it's not a cold dessert. Nice, actually. I like it. This dish, right? See, you very seldom can find outside anymore. This dish. So if you got a chance to try, this is a Teochew first actually. Do try. Okay? Everywhere you can actually find, and this Teochew Meng and SS2 is one of the places you can find. So I will leave the address in the description down below. Okay? So come to Teochew Meng if you are around the corner at SS2. Scan in here and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.